Hello, I'm Liz from Long Shadows, and today we're going to be planting our fava beans because I love them. So as you can see, I've drilled some holes, long drilled, and I've planted them about 10 centimeters apart all the way down. I think I've got about 30 in this garden bed. So I'm just going to make sure they're deep enough. They do reward you with the most beautiful flowers for your pollinators and the most beautiful harvest. Each seed will give you about 50 fava beans to replant. So they're very, very hardy. And of course you can probably see that I've enriched this ground with manure from the cows. They will only take about 7 days to come up, at which time then I'll have true indication of where they are in the bed. But they'll come up really well. Now they will need support once they come up, and I'll show you how to do that in another video when they're about 30 centimeters or so high. So thank you for watching today. So we'll come back and revisit this bed when they're up, and I'll show you how to tie them and how to harvest them. Thanks for watching.